You and your team may not be as influential as you think you are. I know this is a big statement. What if it's correct? Think about it. Virtual environments are challenging. Zoom fatigue is a real thing. Connecting and engaging in back-to-back virtual meetings, all while isolated to a small screen tile, can challenge anyone's ability to influence their listeners to take action. Our half-day virtual workshop is designed with your virtual team in mind. We deliver the specific and necessary skills for you and your team to engage and connect with your listeners and create messages with impact and influence to create action during every interaction. Following the half-day workshop, 30-minute private coaching sessions drive individual accountability and ensure your return on investment. First, participants will experience a virtual half-day session uniquely tailored to meet your organizational needs, culture, brand, all within a challenging virtual environment. The half-day team session offers a wide range of activities and challenges, blending your group dynamics with one-on-one attention. During this time, participants will increase their communication skills and raise their level of awareness around how others really perceive them. They learn specific action steps to immediately implement that improve message content and delivery. They learn to connect with others meaningfully, so every interaction drives productivity, action, connection, and engagement. As a group, we guide your team through our exclusive Communication Quick Start. This tool helps your team create messages that impact listeners in 30 seconds or less. These messages motivate action with clear and specific calls to action designed to create momentum in the workplace. Participants use the time immediately following the workshop to practice the skills learned in the group setting. This helps them improve their individual style and delivery while also identifying areas needing additional improvement. 30-minute private coaching sessions address those individual needs, ensuring greater participant accountability and return on your investments. Participants work directly with their workshop instructor to overcome individual challenges and enhance their communication skills even further. Participants should come prepared with a few work-related topics to discuss in their private coaching session. This allows them to address what matters to them while practicing the skills in a deliberate way. During the coaching sessions, participants will complete several recordings. These recordings raise self-awareness and identify specific ways to elevate their influence. Participants receive immediate, interactive coaching and can implement the feedback right away, turning their skills into lasting habits. This workshop is specifically designed for virtual and hybrid teams, remote employees, and those who interact with clients and peers in a virtual environment. Let us know how we can help you and your team elevate your level of influence Monday to Monday.